say hi. So I'm taking Pearly to the vet today because it's her third vaccination day, and we are in very hurry because like usual we are very busy these days. Like last night also we were working. I'll add a clip here. And today we have like lots of work to do. Also we are dispatching the big. So this is 2 a.m. by now, and we are still like working on this. We are on a mission to make like 100 cups by tonight because we have to dispatch it tomorrow morning. And our workplace is very messy right now. This is all for the packaging, and we are going to like dispatch this many tomorrow. Pulse! Meet grown-up Pali. Pali has grown up and love. Lambu Pali, my dear. Pali. So we are back again after a long time. Pali is also grown up now. So you can see how this area has become like it's worsened these days. Okay. So Pali, come. Pali, treat. Like Pali has grown up a lot. इतना बड़ा हो गया कि अभी वो बिस्तर तक भी आ सकता है दौड़ के. Pali, treat. This is treat, okay? Actually इसको पता नहीं है कि this is दवाई. So, doctor. Wow. Okay. How do I do this? Okay. Yes. Pali, treat. Pali, this is treat. Come. Pali, come. Pali, treat. Oh, my hair is shivering. Like, actually, I'm very scared of injections. So, Pali, treat. Good girl. Oh. Pulse. No. Pali, little. So, I did not shift my house yet because the landlord is like delaying. So that's the reason why I did not save my house yet. He is every time like delaying. Ye kaam nahi hua, wo kaam nahi hua. So yes. And also we are working on the biggest order so far. It is like 96 cups. We are dispatching that to Nagaland today. So we will be packing that today. Damn! Pali yaar, measurement गलती कर देगा, छवा दिया इसको ये. Actually, I hate medicines, you know. खाता नहीं हम कभी. बीमार हमसे भी only once or twice, and I leave it after that. Come on, wow, this is pink color one. Wow, pink is my favorite color. And also Pali. Come Pali, Pinky Pali, my dear Pinky. Treat Pali, this is also treat. Injection. Ali, this is your treat. Come. No. चले करो निसी से बोलते आसा पल्ली तो गमका तो पल्ली गमका तो good girl. Oh yes, you can. Good girl. Finally, good girl. Treat to bante Pali. Treat. Sit. Okay, good girl. Okay, Pali. No. I said no. Pali, I said no. No, Pali, no. Pali, eat. Good girl. So these are all the orders that are dispatching today. So the workplace is very, very messy. Ooh. Cups. The World of Cups. This is the cover. $95 covers for this. 1, 2, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Damn, I was talking about this and I forgot the count again. 30, how much was it? 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So these 95 cups are ready now. And I can show you the designs if you wanna order. This is like pink daisy. This is pink daisy, and this is rainbow one. Also, I will show you the most stylish one. This is it, the most stylish one, cow print. So yes, I'm gonna pack it now. Pali, sit. Sit, bonesi mote. These are all like ready to dispatch now. I'm all sweating. Okay. Hey guys, this is another day and I'm at my friend's place today. So I was like unwell because of this thing which is getting worse than day by day. So, and you know what, this is for the first time I'm dealing with a pimple, or I don't know what to call this, a pimple or gamori. And I don't even know why is this happening to me. Like I'll just wait for another 2 days, and agar wo se mein theek nahi hota hai, then I have to go and meet the doctor. I'm managing somehow to bring the conclusion of this video. Also, if you guys know how to cure this one, if you have any suggestion or you have dealt with such thing in the past, then please send help. It's killing me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye.